Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we will teach you how to connect your car to the Google Maps system via Bluetooth. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. You will see a map of your current location and a search bar at the top. Step 2. Tap on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on Settings, the second option from the top. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize your Google Maps preferences. Step 4. Tap on Navigation Settings. This will open the Navigation Settings page, where you can adjust your driving mode, voice guidance, and other features. Step 5. Scroll down until you see driving notifications. Turn on this toggle by tapping on it. This will enable Google Maps to send driving notifications to your car's display via Bluetooth. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.